टू यू जी, ला ला ला, केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी. हॅपी बर्थडे अनन्या ताई.
शुभेच्छा.
हा परत एकदा म्हणा.
वाढदिवसाच्या शुभेच्छा.
हा आणि काही अजून सांगा, तिला अजून काही म्हणायचंय का तुम्हाला?
काही नाही.
काही नाही म्हणायचं. केव्हा काय म्हणायचं, लहानपणाची अनन्या आठवतीये का?
हो,
काय?
आठवते.
काय करत होती, काय करायची? खूप त्रास देत होती का?
त्रास देत होती.
काय त्रास देत होती?
हे खूप त्रास देत होती.
हो ना. आता मोठी झाली आहे.
मोठी झाली आहे.
हा, आता त्रास नाही देत.
नाही देत.
होय.
Start.
Hi Ananya, a very happy birthday. I know how much you're excited for your 18th birthday. I think past from 18 months. So the day has come for you. First of all, let me tell you, you are the most precious thing in our life, sweetheart. Thank you for giving me the motherhood. For past 18 years, I've enjoyed all the rights, thinking it's my duty to tell you what is right, what is wrong, how to do, what to do. But now that you're 18 and legally adult, I think now I want to become more of your friend than your mother. Ananya, you have got a very beautiful nature of teamwork. You want everybody with you. You try to keep everybody happy as much as possible. And also try to adjust for them. That's a very beautiful nature of yours, which I cherish a lot. Now, when you are 18 and now you are entering a life of profession, where you will get many types of people, jealous, happy, envious, everybody. So, I like to suggest as a mother to you that don't give up on your thoughts if you think they are right. Always keep it firm. You should adjust, but not to the extent that the wrong person becomes right. And then, I think that is the best advice I can give you on 18th birthday. Enjoy life. You have got one more very beautiful nature, that you enjoy small things in your life and don't wait for the bigger one. This will give you a lot of happiness in your life, I'm sure. A very happy birthday once again. Enjoy. Bye.
Hello Ananya, wish you a happy 18th birthday. 18th birthday is a very important birthday because you become an adult. With an adult, a lot of responsibilities will also creep in. It is a stage of both rights and duties. You have been extremely hardworking and committed. This quality will take you to succeed in your life, both in a professional as well as in personal life. You have been a very joyous person. This quality, I think, keeps everybody in the float. You want to work with everybody, want to keep everybody happy. That is a very rare quality. Anybody can have. Going forward, I think you have to be a little bit cautious with the people around you. You need to judge them and then decide whether you have to be with him or not. Not to be with him or with him. It all depends on how you want to deal with him. This is only a suggestion which I can give as a father. Your presence in my life has been a joyous, which cannot be expressed in terms of words, because you gave me a fatherhood which is a precious, which cannot be major. So all the best in your future life. I'm sure you will be as successful as a human being and in terms of achieving the career what you have set for yourself. All the best.
तेरी उम्र की फुलवारी में खिला 18 का फूल मुबारक सालगिरह. हॅपी बर्थडे अनन्या. तुझे सगळी स्वप्न, तुझे सगळे इच्छा सगळ्या पूर्ण होऊ दे. हे आशीर्वाद. आता आईच्या कुशीतपासून इतके दिवस सगळा आराम केलेस, आता बाहेर पडून स्वतःच्या धैर्याने पुढची कामं कर. कांगारू सारखं आपलं इतके दिवस आईच्या बरोबर बसली होतीस, आता स्वतःचे विचार स्वतःचे मत प्रगट करायला सुरू कर. हेच आता या 18व्या वर्षाच्या तुझ्या वाढदिवसाच्या निमित्त आमचे आशीर्वाद.
ಹಲೋ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಇದು ನಿನ್ನ ಕಾಕ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಕು ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಿನ್ನ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅನನ್ಯ ಅದರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಏನದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ. ಶಿ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ವೆಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮೀ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್, as it is like she is Marji ka Malik, apne ap Marji ka Malik. So that's what she reminds me. And the one advice for her is to travel as much possible. That will give you a lot of experience. So traveling, I would advise.
Yes, I'm happy to give. Do what you like the most and put all your efforts into it and do your best. That is the advice I can give you. And good luck in the rest of your life.
And happy 18th birthday, Ananya. Enjoy your day.
Happy 18th birthday and enjoy your birthday.
Oh, let me start with telling you the meaning of word Ananya. I know you know the meaning very well because you have been using this name for last 18 years. But let me tell you what it means to me. The very first meaning of Ananya is special. And you are very special to me and all of us because you are the first child of the generation next. Your birth gave our relations all new names. Like your I became your I became your Maushi, your Mama, Aji. All of us were born in a new relationship. So you will always be special to us. Another meaning of your word is unique. And I know you are unique in a very special way. Do you know how? Like the innocence what you have, even till date. That is what you have been having since all these years. And I wish it stays with you in the future also. But just be careful. No one ever takes an advantage of your innocence. Be innocent but in a right way. And third meaning of Ananya is a shining star. And I am sure you would be a shining star in the coming future because I have been seeing your hard work and dedication to achieve your goals and also fulfill your dreams and also your dreams of your parents. So I wish you all the best and lots of blessings, and I wish God bestows you with choicest blessings and make you what you want to be. Have a nice birthday, enjoy well, work hard, party hard. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ananya Kai!
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू अनन्या, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. फूलों ने चमन से तुझको है सलाम भेजा, तारों ने गगन से तुझको ये पयाम भेजा. दुआ है ये खुदा करे ऐ शोख तुझको, चांद की उम्र लग जाए, आए तो कयामत आए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू अनन्या, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. Happy birthday to Ananya.
Okay, ready.
Hi Ananya, happy birthday. If I were to pick an animal for you, I would pick a dragon because dragons are strong and full of grace, just like you. I hope you get to experience being alone with nature for miles and miles around and how peaceful that is. If I were to give you any advice, it is that no one knows what they're doing and life is only change. Happy birthday.
Hi Annie, happy birthday. You're turning 18. That means you'll have a new passport, PAN card, Aadhaar card and all. And I think I know. How long do I know you? I know you from 14 years. And you're the dumbest person I ever know. Yeah. Yeah, so I was told to give you a sentence of advice, and it's not a advice, it's a high demand. It must be fulfilled. There are like 2 or 3, okay? 1, you have to watch Pokemon. I'm saying if you don't watch, you will be bashed to death. 2, you have to stand BTS up, please. Yeah, thanks. And one animal which reminds me of you, not like a single animal which reminds me of you, it's a hybrids mix of so many animals. You're a mix of a bunny because you have bunny teeth. You are a bunny because you have bunny teeth. You are a hyena because you say you laugh like a hyena. I don't know. You are like a seal because seals clap very weirdly and they dance a lot. So yeah, and you're a donkey because you're a donkey, and yeah. And Annie, I want this to happen once you turn 18 and you get your driving license. We both will go to a restaurant and we'll live our life here over there. We'll go to Starbucks. We'll go to, if we have Dunkin' Donuts somewhere, we'll go to Dunkin' Donuts. We'll have a sister date. But you will pay anything because I'll be not 18 still. Yeah. Bye. One thing. One minor, it is going to be very cringy, okay?
हॅलो अनन्या. हॅलो अनन्या, वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. आणि हा व्हिडिओ आम्ही लपून लपून करतोय तुला तुला न कळण्यासाठी. बरं अनन्या, मी तुला असं बघितलं आहे ना की जेव्हा मी लग्न होऊन आले तेव्हा अगदी छोटी अनन्या बघितली आहे मी, जी आम्ही जेवायला बसलेलो असताना आम्हाला तुला पाहिजे पाहिजे करून आम्हाला सगळ्यांना भात वाढणारी अनन्या, नंतर नटून थटून बसणारी अनन्या, सगळी रेडी होऊन आम्ही 4 दिवस सासूचे बघत बसणारी अनन्या, थोडी मोठी झालेली अनन्या, जेव्हा अनुष्का आल्यानंतर मी अनुष्काला रागवल्यानंतर तिच्या डोळ्यात पाणी येणारी अशी अनन्या, अनुष्काला समजून घेणारी अनन्या, जी खूप वेळेला अनुष्का हट्ट करायची की नाही मला हेच पाहिजे करून, ती पण तू समजून घ्यायचीस तिला आणि बरं घे, तिला डिप्लोमॅटिकली कधी कधी हँडल करणारी अनन्या असं बघितली आहे. नंतर एक अशी अनन्या की जी शाळेमध्ये कॉलेजमध्ये गेल्यानंतर आम्ही मुलामुलींवरून चिडवल्यानंतरची अशी लाजणारी अनन्या, आणि आता उद्या 18 वर्षाची पूर्ण होणार आहे, जी आता कॉन्फिडंट अनन्या, की सगळं पुढील आयुष्यामध्ये काय करणार आणि एक आयडेंटिटी मिळणार आहे अनन्या. सो असा तुझा मी पूर्ण प्रवास बघितलेला आहे आणि जो खूपच छान होता, इंटरेस्टिंग होता. आणि अजूनही पुढे असंच बघत राहणार आहे. आणि घरामध्ये मला असं वाटतं सगळ्यात उत्साही जर घरात कोणी असेल तर तूच आहेस, जी प्रत्येक गोष्टीमध्ये उत्साह असतो करायला, नटायला, मुरडायला. आणि तुला एक काय एक्सपिरियन्स तू करावं आयुष्यामध्ये असं जर वाटत असेल तर मला असं वाटतं तू ही एक गोष्ट नक्की करावी 18 वर्ष पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर. एक ताटली घे, त्या ताटलीमध्ये भात घे, त्याच्यावरती दही घाल आणि त्याच्यामध्ये भरपूर साय घाल आणि ते कालवून कालवून मस्तपैकी खाऊन बघ. हा एक्सपिरियन्स आयुष्यामध्ये करायलाच पाहिजे. आणि ॲडवाईस जर तुला द्यायचं झालं तर हा एक ॲडवाईस आहे की तू उपीट खायला लाग, कळलं? आणि वरणफळं पण आवडीने खायला लाग. हे माझं ॲडवाईस आहे. म्हणजे हे आयुष्यामधलं उपीट आणि वरणफळं सगळ्यात स्वादिष्ट पदार्थ आहे जो तुला आवडत नाही तो तू खायला लाग. हे माझं ॲडवाईस आहे तुला. ओके, आय एम जस्ट जोकिंग. ओके, त्यावेळी तुला जे आवडतं ते कर आणि अशीच पुढे मोठी हो, छान हो, हीच सदिच्छा आणि खूप आशीर्वाद. बाय.